Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris, under the weather. Chris, if you have watched my other videos and you're like, but why is this voice different? It's because I'm sick. But more importantly, what do we have today? We've got a brand new Kia Tasman. We are becoming quite the Kia Tasman experts over here. Have seen a whole heap of the models in these past weeks as we are getting lids and roller shutters and canopies and all the other bits and pieces fitted on these bad boys. So today we're going to get an electric roller shutter that's going to be assembled and fitted on this brand new Kia Tasman. And without further ado, let's get into it. ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of our brand new electric roller shutter to suit the Kia Tasman black on black action. Anyway, what you do is you get a pair of key fob controllers like so, very straightforward. You've got lock, you've got unlock, and then you've got the light control over there, right? So unlock is going to send the roller forward. You see, one thing I wanted to draw attention to is the very quiet operation of our roller shutters instead of it making an absolute racket like some of our competitor shutters do. No, we like a nice little quiet operation. So if you want to duck out of the house with the missus not knowing, there you go, lad. All right, grab yourself an OZ Canopies, a 4x4 shutter. Anyway, more importantly, another thing I want to draw attention to is also how the integrated LED bar light comes on as soon as the roller shutter opens. So we're going to go ahead and close the shutter now. Let's just say you and your cameraman are chatting and all that type of stuff. You left your arm in the roller, and then you can see it's also got that safety system integrated to allow the roller shutter to roll back, lest it catch an appendage or have a tall load that you weren't mindful of. Anyway, these ones are available now from $2,000 supplied on ozcanopies.com.au. If you want to grab one for yourself to suit the Kia Tasman, or for any of the other models, we've got them available for as well. Other than that, it's Chris. Like, subscribe, notification bell, you know what to do. Leave a comment. Don't leave a comment, leave a comment, right? And we will see you guys on the next one.